Solve this exponential equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in this exponent and in this exponent. In order to solve the equation, you need to remove the x terms from each exponent, combine them, and then solve for x. With exponential equations, the most obvious way to take the x term out of the exponent is to take the logarithm of this expression and, in fact, to take the logarithm of both sides of the equation. But you should look for ways of simplifying this process. Notice that with this equation, both terms have the same base, 2. When you have an equation like this, simply create a new equation with just the exponents. So we get 3x equals x minus 1. Subtract x from both sides to get 2x equals negative 1. To solve for x, divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals negative 1/2. When solving exponential equations, look for a common base. That way you can write an equation based on the exponents.